Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sky-Dweller 326135. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2014 or later. The characteristics include a Rolex Tobacco leather strap with an everose gold folding Oysterlock clasp. The dial is chocolate with everose gold Arabic hour markers, the date, month, and a GMT second time zone. This watch contains a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a waterproof screw-down crown, and is water-resistant down to 100 meters. The case is 42mm 18-karat everose gold with a 9001 automatic movement. This GMT-Master comes with a Rolex box, booklets, and a Rolex warranty card dated November 2016. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326135 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.